Discover the EZRentOut navigation bar and learn how EZRentOut, our all-in-one rental management platform, is easy to use. Ready? Create new rental orders by clicking on the plus add order tab and rent out your items easily. Add new items, customers, bundles, or locations directly from the plus button. Access the availability center from the calendar icon to instantly check item status and any upcoming bookings. View your emails directly from the app to stay updated with the most recent status of your rental activities. Click the bell icon to view pending notifications and stay on top of all your rental operations. Explore the settings to manage features, add-ons, integrations, and web store. Click the left navigation bar to access modules to smartly manage your entire rental lifecycle. If you have any unanswered questions, seek help from our resources by simply going to our help section and solve issues within minutes. Lastly, if you still need assistance, access our powerful help center and ask our AI agent Zoe to resolve your rental queries.